Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft 365 error code that is 21480734994. Now the first step is to repair or reset Office. So open Windows settings and then go to apps and then go to install apps in Windows 11. In Windows 10 go to apps and features and then find Office 365. Now once you find Office, you can click on it and then click on advanced option in Windows 10. In Windows 11, click on this three dot, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on repair. And once the repair is done, check if that does not work, you can click on reset, read this and then click on reset. And after the reset, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to sign out of your account from Office application. So you can open Office application like Word, Excel, and then once you open Office application, now go to file and then go to account and then click on sign out. Click on sign out. Now once you log out, now close all the Office applications. So if Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anything is open, close all the Office application. And once you close it, now go to these locations. These locations are provided in the video description. So open File Explorer, go to C drive. Now open users folder. Then open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData on the top, click on View, select Show, and then put a check on Hidden Items. You should be able to see AppData folder. Open AppData. Now open the local folder. Now open the Packages folder. Now once you open Packages folder, now find this folder. So scroll down. So over here you can see this folder, Microsoft AAD broker plugin and some alphanumeric character. Once you find this folder, create a backup of this folder. So just copy it and you can create a backup. Once you have a backup, you can delete this folder. And then go to this location. So go to local. So go to this location, and after you open the local, now go to Microsoft and then find IdentityCache file folder. So here you can see IdentityCache folder. Make a right click, just create a backup if you want to, paste it over here. And once you have a backup, now you can delete this folder. Now again go to this location. In the same folder you will find OneAuth folder. So here you can see OneAuth folder. Again create a backup and then make a right click and then click on delete. Now once this is deleted, now if you're using school or work account, connect your school or work account in Windows settings. So open Windows settings, go to accounts and then scroll down and then click on access work or school. And if you're using any work or school account and if it is not connected, you can click on connect and then you can enter your details, your email and password for your work or school account. In case it is already connected, so if you see an account, in that case you can disconnect and reconnect. So if the account is already connected, then you can, in front of it you will see the disconnect option. You can disconnect it, and once you disconnect it, now again you can try to connect once again. Now, and once you connect it, now you can check. Now if you're not using any school or work account, then, and if you have one over here, in that case you can disconnect it, and then now you can open any Office application. And then now once you open Office application, now go to file, account, and then you can try to log in. So after you log out, log in once again and then check. Now the last step is to perform quick or online repair. Now for this you can type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on uninstall program. Find Microsoft Office in the list. Now once you find Office, make a right click and then click on change and then click on yes to allow and then go for quick repair. So click on repair, and once the repair is done, you can check If that does not work, you can go for online repair, but it will take a longer time and requires an internet connection throughout. Now, during this online repair, it may reinstall your Microsoft Office. So make sure that you have the username and password, like your Office email account and password. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.